What's up, YouTubers? So my lady was telling me that her light was blinking on the turn signal was blinking pretty fast. So turned it back on, looked at the front turn signal, that was fine. Looked at the back, it was completely dead. The bulb was like pretty much fried. So I'm gonna do a video on how to replace your rear turn signal plus brake light in a 2011 Buick Enclave. The tools you need is a 7mm socket, has to be a socket, and a little flat screwdriver or a knife or something. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this here. You place it inside, pops loose just like that. Inside the hole. I ain't let it focus. And it pops right out. This kind of extends out and pulls down. So I'll go ahead and replace both sides, but I'm just going to show you one side for right now. All right, so now take the 7mm here. There's a socket in there. Inside there, you see it? This goes right in there. And you just loosen. So it's pretty easy. It's not that complicated. A magnet will work too. Let's see through the other end. So I was doing my first video on this and everything was going good, but my lady ended up doing a FaceTime calling me and it kind of stopped the video. So I had to restart over. So this is like my third attempt to take this apart. So here we go. This here, once you get the two bolts off, you just take this and you just kind of move it over. You just want it enough so you can put your hand or finger in there, and then you want to grab it and then you just pull straight out. Just straight out. I'll show you. Straight out. Comes out just like that. There you go. There's a clip right here. A little tab. Pull that. And then with two hands really, you comes off just like that. Here, you want to turn it. Let me see if I can. There we go. This here you want to turn counterclockwise. Like so, and it comes off. It just got to turn it like a quarter, and it'll stop. Once it stops, then just pull out. That's what she said. So take this here, these bulbs, and you want to make sure that you don't do these with leave any prints on with your fingers. This is that's the bulb you're going to need for the 2011. I don't know what years these range, but 2011 takes that. So you see I have a slot. This here have a slot. It's just like a plug. Goes in just like so. If it fights with you, just turn it around, Try the other side. There we go. It's a little hard doing this with just one hand. And it clips in. Boom, you're done. Only when you see it like this, kind of discolored, I usually recommend replacing this. That's the number right there in case you need it. It's definitely a C2. So I don't know what that means, but it's some of my information. But anyway, I will recommend replacing this because how this discolored. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this sometime next week or so. Then you place it in here, find the hole, and then you just turn clockwise till it doesn't, oh, there you go, till it doesn't turn anymore. There's also the same thing here too. It's whoever is replacing, because I think this here is the, I don't even know what that is, to tell you the truth. It is like a side marker or something, but you take it loose, counterclockwise. I ain't gonna do it now, but you know. And slide it over here. And then you just go ahead and you just connect the ends. Make sure I'm doing it right. Works a lot better if you have two hands. It seems like I'm doing a good job, so there we go. It clicked, it's in. So this little pin here, it just aligns inside here. That's all. So you take this and then make sure it goes in like so. Watch your pin right there. Watch the pin. Make sure that goes in the hole. Make sure that goes in the hole. Yep, it's in the hole. And there you go. It's in. Go ahead and you put your bolt in. The other side's going to be easy peasy. So it's not recommended that you have to do both. You can, because this one blew out. I really don't have to do the other side, but I'm one of them people that if one side goes out, the other one's bound to happen. I'm going to also go back in here next week and replace the housing because of that discolor. Right now, at the time, there ain't no dealerships open. So, and I don't know if it's a dealership part or if it's a place I can go to the auto parts store and get, but something like that, I just rather go to the dealership. Just go ahead and get it replaced, because those can become fire hazards. And you just tighten these up. If you get a hand tightened, I just give it a good nudge, and that's about it. That's about it. Then I put these tabs back in there. this tab back in there, and then there you go. Well, actually, let's go see if it'll work. Ugh. And there we go. Let's go check. And we have light. And at first, it wasn't even doing that at all. It was actually just dead. And this here, the turn signal was like blinking fast, like really fast. So that's done. I'm glad. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for here. And sometimes that's pretty much it, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Like I said, you don't have to. You don't have to. But the reason why I'm also doing this is because it looks like I'm getting moisture. So that's pretty bad. You see it? That's inside. So I gotta expect that and figure out why is that happening, and get that situated as well. So all right, so now you know how to replace your rear brake light, turn signal, flasher, whatever it is. And you know how to do that one as well. It's the same as this one. But that one's a different bulb. So, just in case. All right, everybody. Thank you again. And I'm going to do some more videos on this here, because I got an engine light on when I started it up. You've seen it. I already know what's the problem. It's a O2 sensor. So I'm going to go ahead and got that on order. Going to go ahead and do that. Got to do some more work on the AC. I got to replace the discharge line because we don't have any AC in here, and my lady is getting on me. I already covered about the air filter and the cabin filter on here, and I think I did the brakes on here as well. So also I got a Jeep, 2011 Jeep, that I'm going to be doing some work on. I am doing some work on this vehicle here for a buddy of mine's. And then this is my pride and joy right here that I got some work that I'm doing on. So these two videos will be posted in about a month or so. The Jeep is going to be about probably next week sometime. So other than that, yeah, this is what you all need to really do it, and probably a glove. And yeah, that's it, everybody. All right, y'all take it easy now. Bye.